Hey guys, welcome back to Jack of All Trades. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the maintenance on the iRobot 600 Plus series vacuum cleaner. I got a broken brush here, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to repair this and also change the filter and the two other brushes. You're going to see right here, if you're looking for your Roomba model number, it's located right here. So we're going to, you're going to need some parts in order to follow me with this video. And in here I ordered this box. It came with a couple of each item, which is a pretty good deal for the price. And I went on into Amazon and ordered this kit. At the time of the video, this is what I paid for it. So that's pretty good. You get like 3 of the brushes, 4 of the small little brushes, a couple filters. Now I own this Roomba for many years, and this is the first time I've had to repair it. So thought I'd take you along and show you how to do it. It's a star tip screwdriver, 1 single screw, and then this just slides into a groove. Just pops out like that. I'm gonna grab a new one, line it up with the groove, it slides right in, and then just finger tight the screw. Don't go cranking on it, you'll strip it. Okay, so that's the first repair. Very simple. Since we have some brushes with this kit, we're going to replace the old brushes. These are still good, but since we got new ones, we'll put new ones in. Very simple. They slide out. You got a notched end on one end and a yellow end on the other. Just line it up with the notch, slides right in. Very simple to replace. Same with this one, line it up with the notch. There you go, it just falls right in. Now the door shut. And we got one more item to replace, which is the filter. Access the filter, you just press this little button here. You can open up the compartment door and slide the filter out. Very simple. Grab our new filter. Open up the compartment door, line it up with the notches, slide in here, click in once it's installed correctly. Close the little door. Snap it back in place and we're ready to test it out. Anybody can do this repair, very simple. Or you call this a maintenance video. Let's go test this unit out. And I think you activate it by pressing the button. I don't know, I bought this for my wife. No, we're gonna have to press it again. Oh, there we go. See how she works. Well, it looks like it's working pretty good. Brushes are working. I guess it just goes around the house and does its thing and cleans all the dirt. So, great for pet hair. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A quick maintenance repair of the iRobot 600 Plus series vacuum. If you got this vacuum, give this video a try.